Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today is Friday, September the 12th of 2025. We have made it to day number 139 of this My Lead Gen Secret ClickBank Challenge. We're heading into the weekend. I hope you guys had a great week, and I hope you have a great weekend. All right. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, guys, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting offers on a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service, a traffic source called My Legion Secrets for traffic. We're putting those two together. We're somehow meshing them together to see if we can earn income or earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year. All right. So I'm back with another video. We finally made it to day number 139, guys. Let's go ahead and hop right into it. This right here, guys, is the My Lead Gen Secret back office. Okay, if you don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, it's an email service, okay, that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay, so every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads coming into your back office, okay, and you will be able to get in front of brand new people every single day. Okay, so that's the cool thing about this system. A little bit about myself, guys. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now. I totally love the service. I promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. These are cold leads. Okay, guys. So you do have to send out emails every single day to these people to get their attention. But once you start sending out emails and they're good emails, you will start seeing progress and you'll start, seeing results. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. If you guys were to get started with My Legion Secret, your back office is going to look identical to this. Okay. The only thing different that's going to be in your back office versus mine is obviously your affiliate link, and then also the emails that you send out versus what I send out. Okay. Obviously we're not sending out the emails on the same day. Okay. So the same email on the same day. So just wanted to show you guys just what your back office would look like. These are the tabs coming across the top here. Pretty much what you would do is the main place that you're going to be hanging out at is going to be this mailing system. But let me show you. There's going to be a couple ways that you can earn income with My Legion Secrets. Number one is going to be promoting the service itself. Okay. Now the cool thing about My Legion Secrets is that they do have their own emails that you can promote. So all you have to do is pretty much promote these emails right here. Okay. So you just come down here and you just load these emails up. You just click on this and it'll load it into the system and you will be able to send this email out to your list. Okay. And you'll be able to make money with My Legion Secrets. Okay. And you'll be able to do that. And that's one way to make money. The other way is going to be using a network, such as an affiliate network, such as ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Max Bounty, they Blue Media Ventures. There's tons of different networks, CPA networks that you can go to, and you can grab business opportunity offers. Okay. Now the thing about this traffic, guys, these people care about making money online. Okay. These people are looking for ways to make money. Okay. So it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and find offers that are related to making money online. We pretty much create an email, use an email for a free email swipe or generated some kind of AI email, and we send it out to this traffic, guys, and we get results. Okay. And then eventually people start signing up for whatever it is that you're promoting and you start making money with it. All right. So I just wanted to kind of explain a little bit about the My Legion Secrets and how it happens. Okay. So pretty much the mailing system is where you're going to be hanging out at, guys. I'm just going to show you a mock email that you would be able to use. So say for instance, let's just pick one here. You can go here, right? And then just load it up. So as you send these emails, guys, let's see here. As you send these emails, they're going to pretty much look like this. Okay. This is going to be the subject line that you would put in. Okay. And then also here's going to be the body of text that you would put in as well. Okay. And then you would just send out this email right here. All right. So there's going to be a few ways. And then also you want to click on perfect timing right here before you send this out. there's going to be three ways that you can create the email with the system. Number one is to create an email. Okay, if you're good at just writing stuff and coming up with good content or good emails, suggestions for whatever offer that you're promoting. You can write your own email. That's one way. The second way is to be able to use a AI service such as Chat GPT or some kind of AI email, a creator or something like that. And you can create, emails that are related to whatever offer that you're promoting, whatever offer you pick out, you can create an email that's tailored to that offer, excuse me. And or you can use the free email swipes that are from the vendor on ClickBank. Okay. And now for this series, we're using a service called ClickBank, which is an affiliate network that you can go to. You can grab offers that are related to business opportunity offer that related to making money online. Okay. So pretty much you can go to clickbank.com, register for an account. It's free, doesn't cost you anything, guys, to get started, guys. You can go to the business opportunity section, which is the e-business, e-marketing section, and you can find you an offer. And those offers are going to have free email swipes. Okay. So you can use those free email swipes to start out with, just to start copying and pasting over to the system. All right. Now I'm just going to show you real quick on how easy it is to send out an email. Just that way you know how to do it whenever you get started. Okay. So pretty much what you would do, you come here, you click on select all. What that does here, guys, it just kind of transfers your emails. That way you can get ready to send out an email. And you would pick an offer on ClickBank. This happens to be paying social media jobs. You would just come down here, guys, click on the email swipes. Okay. And then you come down here, and then you have 20 different emails that you can use. Okay. So what I would recommend is just coming down each and every email and just sending these out. Okay. They're just super easy to do and they're already pre-written for you guys. Okay. So all you have to do is copy and paste this over to the mailing system. Okay. So let me show you. So you grab the subject line. Okay. You just grab it right here. Control C, come over here to the mailing system and Control V, right? Super easy, right? And you come here, Control A, let's just go ahead and erase this. And let's go ahead and go over here to the mailing system. I mean, to the offer, and you want to grab the body of text. So just grab that. It's just a short email. Come back over here and then Control V, right? So that pastes in. There's going to be three things that you need to do with this email. Number one is going to be able to take out this name right here. We just want to take that out and we're going to put in this first name. This is the only code that you're going to need out of this list right here is just this first name because it's going to be better to address your prospect by their first name instead of addressing them by their last name or full name. Okay. So we Control V. I like to space this out a little bit. Okay, and let's go ahead and just space it out. Okay, and this is just an example. You don't actually have to use this email or use this offer. You can use whatever offer that you want on ClickBank, and they will have the free swipes for you to use, and all you have to do is copy and paste them over. Right here where it says click here, what we want to do is we want to turn this into a clickable link. That way our prospect knows what to do after they finish reading this email. So let's go ahead and go here, and then let's come up here, guys, and then that's what we're going to do is click on this link tab right here. Just click on that. Come back over here to the offer, and we want to grab this hop link right here. Okay, Control C. And the only thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to take this out right here. Basically, is giving us the email and is telling us this is our personalized affiliate link that's tailored to this email. So all we have to do is come here and take out this right here and put in our affiliate link. That way we get paid for this email when it goes out. So let's go ahead and go here, Control V, right? And let's just go ahead and take this out. And let's put in our ClickBank affiliate ID, whatever that is, and then click on OK. All right. So what that does, as you can see here, guys, this email is ready to go. Okay, I'd like to make mine a little bit bigger, either 16 or 18, whichever one you feel comfortable with. And then as you can see, this email is ready to go. We're addressing our prospect by their first name. So when this email goes out, it'll say something like, hi, Jermaine, hi, John, hi, whatever your name is. It goes into the email, tell the customer what you will be doing if they want to get started right away. There's training provided. And then basically we're giving them a link to click on so they can go ahead and register and get started. Okay. And once our customer gets to our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. We don't have to do pretty much nothing. Our job is to get our customer to the offer so they can get started working. Okay. Now, once they sign up and they start working, then we'll start getting paid for our customers working with us. Okay. That's just such a cool, smooth process. That's all you have to do is come in here and send out emails. Okay. Now, the thing about this My Legion Secrets, in order for this thing to work for you, you will have to have multiple accounts. Okay. So you're going to have to sign up. Okay. Not only for only one, you're going to have to sign up for a few accounts in order to start seeing some results. Okay. You cannot just sign up for one account and think that you're going to make money. You have to sign up for multiple accounts in order to get this thing going. Okay. Right now, I have 8 different accounts. Okay. And that's what I use. I come in every single day and I send out emails every single day. And it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to do it. Okay. Because once you start sending out these emails, let's say, for instance, you send out all 20 of these. Once you do that, all those emails will be stored in here where it says saved emails, and you'll be able to store them in here. So you'll be able to go back to that first email, click on it, and then load it. Okay, and then you just gotta click send, and that's why it only takes me about 5, 6 minutes to just send out all my emails because it's super easy because all my emails that I use they're all stored in here. Okay, so I really don't have to do anything but just load them up. So that's how you send out an email. You come down here, guys. There's going to be a preview tab or a send out tab. You want to click on the preview to preview your ad first to make sure that it does work and it goes to your affiliate page. After you do that, guys, you come back here and click on send now. We just sent out an email on the My Legion Secret. I just showed you. It was super easy to do, guys. I would recommend you guys getting on today. Okay, no, don't waste any more time. And also another cool thing is you're going to be able to send out an email every 24 hours. So every 24 hours, you can come back here to this account and you can send out another email to reach more people. Okay, and brand new people every single day for you is going to be new people coming in every single day. Okay, which is pretty awesome, guys. All right. So I did show you guys how to send out an email. Just wanted to show you real quick. And if you don't remember, how to do it, just rewind this video, guys. Watch my previous videos. I go through detail on pretty much all of them to show you how to do stuff. Okay, but this is how you do it. So we're using a service called ClickBank. So let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank. ClickBank is clickbank.com. It's a free service, guys. Doesn't cost you anything to get started. It takes about 5 minutes to get your account created. So you can come here and create your account. You're going to create a username, and that username is going to be what you're going to use whenever you're promoting products in ClickBank. Okay. So whenever you're transferring that link over to your email, it's going to have your affiliate link in it. Okay. Whenever you send that email out. All right. So I just wanted to come here and show you guys results. I'm showing you right now for this series. I'm just showing you the past 30 days. That way you can see the algorithm. And once it starts growing, we'll kind of narrow it down into days again. We started out at days first to showing you daily results. I'm kind of switching it right now just to show you a 30-day overview to show you the past 30 days and what it looks like. Okay, so that's what we're doing. Today is September the 12th. Okay, and this is what your results will, possibly look like if you were to send out emails every single day. Okay. So as you can see, this is the algorithm, guys. Pretty much, this has been the algorithm for the last few weeks. So we've been getting sales every day or every other day, okay, or every 2 days, okay, which is not bad at all, right? We're only at month number 5. We're not even halfway through this video challenge yet, guys. So it's going to get very interesting in the beginning. If you watch my previous videos, we got maybe a sale here and then one way over here or 7 days later, right? And then 7 days, another 7 days. And then as we start sending out emails every single day, guys, these sales start to get closer and closer and closer and closer and closer. Okay. So right now, this is how close they are. Okay. And this is why I'm showing you the 30-day overview. That way you can see the algorithm so you can see what to expect if you were to get started right now. Okay. You're not going to just come in and just make sales every day. Okay. It just doesn't work that way. You have to put in the work. This is not some kind of get rich quick scheme. This is not something that this is some kind of scam or something like that. This is something that you actually have to do. You have to send out emails. You have to create these emails, copy and paste them, whatever it is. You have to follow this process. Okay. That's the only way you're going to see results. Okay. I'm no different from you. Okay. I seen somebody else doing this, and I started doing it. Right? It's just that simple. Okay. So just like I've done it, you can do it. Okay. I'm like I said, I'm no different from you. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys the results from the past 30 days. We are making money. I get paid from ClickBank every single week. Okay. This is just one method that I do to earn income online. I do have multiple sources of income. So I do other things to make money online. I do run paid campaigns. I do a lot of other cool stuff online. That I'm not, obviously going to get into right now, but I'm just wanting to show you guys something easy starting out. This channel, True Freedom Income, is all about showing you guys how to make money online, and you're going to get nothing but value in this channel. So subscribe to this channel, okay? Like the video. Let me know what you think about this type of stuff, because this is the type of stuff I'm going to be showing you guys. Like just stuff that's just so easy to do that anybody can do it. Okay, so if you know somebody that's looking for extra income, that can follow directions, that can follow what I'm telling you to do in this video, okay, you will make extra income online. Okay, all you have to do is just do it. Okay, that's the hardest thing about being successful and getting something started. The hardest thing is doing it, is getting started. Okay, is actually taking, putting your foot out there, having faith, and knowing that this stuff can work for you. Okay, and that's, like I said, that's my story, guys. That's kind of exactly what I did. I just seen someone doing this; they were successful doing it. I mean, you can get this thing up to $1,000, $1,500, $2,000 a month, $3,000 a month, up to $5,000 a month, guys. Okay, what can that income do for you? Okay, could that help your income? Could that help your household? Okay, so I am going to leave a link below this video. So if you go below this video here to where the more tab is, go ahead and click on this link right here. It's going to take you over to this landing page, and go ahead and get started today. Okay, with the My Legion secret system, and it's going to show you how to get started, guys. I'm not the only one making money, guys. These are just testimonials of other people making money. And this is what you can expect, guys. I'm not the only one earning income here. There's other people making money, as you can see. And there's other people on YouTube that are making money as well, guys. So, this is something that you can do if you want to take action and get started today. So, I'm going to leave this video on that note. I've sent out my emails already tonight. So we'll come back here tomorrow, and we'll go over the results tomorrow of tonight's email. And I will come back here tomorrow and meet you guys at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.